Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so there's something else I need to talk about div tags. Well, when we look at a table or a list, you see that there's two levels. There is the main level, and then there is the sub-level. So we call these block levels and inline levels. So remember how in the definition list there is the definition, and then when we move it over, the DD tag basically it was indented. Well, what this is that the div style is like that. It is the block level, meaning that anything that is in this div style will be affected by the div style. Now, there is an inline level style tag like the div style, which is called a span. And so I'm just going to go ahead and type in this paragraph here. And if we wanted to just change something really simple within the paragraph, and you wanted to change a certain area, you just type in span here. Okay, and I'm just going to close that off. And of course, this is kind of pseudocode, but you can say span style equals font color red. Okay, and then your font here, you would say this font is red. So basically, that's what the span style is. So what you need to think of is that the div style tags, what they do is they affect the bigger picture, and the span style tags, what they do is they affect the smaller picture, or the block level for the div and the inline level for the span. I'll see you guys next time.